Hi everyone and welcome along. So a few weeks ago I got back from my latest watercolour retreat in Portugal on the Algarve coast, and I'm so excited to share my vlog of our time on the retreat. It was such a beautiful setting and everything we did. You're going to see what we ate, what we painted, where we went on a fun little boat trip, and it was such an amazing time. They're very special times, these retreats. So the most important thing though is that you make sure that you stick around to the end of this video, because I am going to be announcing the first 2 retreats for spring and summer 2027 and how you can book your space. What an amazing set of sights and sounds to wake up to. I'm here in Portugal at Quinta Bonita. What's so amazing about this venue is the plant life, the flowers, the fruit that we've got available to us to draw and paint. I almost felt a sense of panic that we weren't going to be able to paint everything in the garden when I first arrived. So I'm here with my wonderful group of guests and we're going to get painting this morning, and we're going to spend plenty of time out in the garden, but we also have the most wonderful art studio. Just a few steps up into the Italian garden. And just up there ahead is our art studio.
My husband's a morning person, so he's
So I just love having a record of all this because it's just don't think about it and get a key. This is fun, isn't it? You put me.
she knows.
Like you're on a painting retreat.
Polo mints. Everyone do a little polo mint, would you? A perfect circle.
We're all trying.
No standing up. Bring the chair, come right up. Throw up a chair.
Yeah.
So the first thing I'm going to ask you is to have just a little practice and play around with the shape. And then, but this is where to practice, so maybe just experiment. So what I would love everyone to do is firstly, just have a little play around with the shape of the petals. Yeah, so there are loads of glass jar examples up on the table, and the nice thing is sort of it could be just like a simple little tumbler. It doesn't even have to have like anyone who spends months. Oh wow! Oh my gosh! Look at that.
Oh, we've got the lemon. All right. So we need some extra colors. That's why we need to be
Oh, hello! Welcome back. We're just having a last little look at everyone's stuff. So that was Portugal and it was absolutely brilliant. I'm also going to Greece this autumn, but that's already sold out. So here is what I am doing for spring into summer 2027. We have 2 retreats to announce today. So the first one, on the 18th to the 25th of April 2027, join me on a safari painting retreat at Manyoni Private Game Reserve in South Africa. Yeah, I know. This is Big 5 country, and for 1 week, this extraordinary wilderness setting is our art studio, and I just cannot believe it. I'm so excited. So each day over our trip, we're gonna follow the rhythm of the bush. What we're gonna see, we're gonna have game drives early in the morning and then in the late afternoon. And then in those hours in between, we get to paint, I'm going to be running daily watercolour sessions structured around what we've seen that day, whether it's native plants, simple landscapes, or animals on the drive. So yes, we're going to be painting the animals. And then later in the week, we'll even try bringing our sketchbooks out on the game drives with us, which will be the most incredible experience. So this trip is run by a company called Pathway Partners, and they are based out there, and they're a creative retreat company who host all their retreats at the Manyoni, and we're going to be staying for 7 nights in luxury bushveld accommodation. All meals, drinks and snacks throughout the trip are included, and in addition to the wildlife we're going to see on the game drives, we're also going to have the most wonderful close-up elephant experience meeting Rachel and Rambo, 2 rescue elephants at a local sanctuary. And we're also very lucky that my husband, Ant, is going to be accompanying us on the trip as well, and we can make the most of his wonderful wildlife photography skills. So this trip is more of a painting adventure where we immerse ourselves in the safari experience and then take a few hours each day to paint what inspired us. So if you've always dreamed of going on safari, then this might just be the absolute trip of a lifetime for you. Now, I'm going to welcome all painters of all abilities, but I think it's really good to have a basic grasp of watercolour. So if you're thinking about booking, I would highly recommend, once you've booked, just come and enjoy all the YouTube tutorials we've got here on the channel to just get yourself familiar with watercolour, and you'll have such a great trip if you've just got a hand of the basics. But like I say, I want to welcome painters of all abilities and experience. This is also perfect for solo travellers and those coming with a friend. It's an intimate group size of 12, and I've found every single time I've run a retreat, the mix of people is always wonderful, very easygoing, because we're all there to enjoy ourselves and have a really wonderful time. So if this sounds like something you'd love to experience with me, then you can find all the booking details and links in the episode notes below. So head there now, because I'm sure that one is going to book up very fast. And now, for my second retreat of 2027 spring-summer. From June 30th to the 7th of July 2027, join me on an up-trek painting retreat in Ireland. Yeah, for an unforgettable painting retreat set within one of Ireland's most magnificent historic estates, painting romantic botanical still lifes, lush floral arrangements and the grand landscape of County Monaghan. So over the course of this lovely retreat, you're going to enjoy daily lessons and one-on-one guidance from me in a really stunning airy art room, as well as the chance to wander around the extensive, expansive grounds. And we're going to be able to paint florals in a garden setting, a little bit more of a wild organic feel, and also some lovely simple country cottages, because I know that lots of you are really keen to do some building painting with me, and this is a really, really fantastic way to start that. So if you're interested in that, this is for you. Staying in a grand Irish manor estate, and this estate has been held by the same family since the 17th century, and it's within hundreds of acres of heritage woodland, private lakes, formal gardens. It's just amazing, and we've got the whole thing to ourselves for the week. We've got a private chef doing all our meals, so any dietary requirements you need covered, no problem. We're going to have lovely traditional afternoon tea, and we're going to draw inspiration from the lovely landscape surrounding us. And we're going to do a few visits. We're going to pop into the Monaghan Town's weekly farmers market, because that's a great way to really capture the hustle and bustle of the local area. And we're also going to have a day painting and sketching at the historic Castle Leslie estate. So again, I welcome painters of all abilities, and I would always say, if you're thinking about booking, just pop onto my YouTube channel, and we've got a playlist specifically for beginners, but also just enjoy all the flower painting. We've got some simple cottage tutorials as well. I just think it's the best way to prepare yourself to get the most out of one of these watercolour retreats. So this trip has 16 spaces, and they do book up fast, these trips. So it's a really nice intimate group, perfect for solo travellers, pairs, couples, friends, families coming together. I find that everyone just mixes in really wonderfully. So however you're thinking of coming, it's going to work for you. Like I said, these retreats do book up really fast. So I would head to the episode notes just below here, where there's a link to find even more information. And of course, Uptrek, who run these retreats, are fantastic if you've got any further questions about logistics. But just to reiterate, we've got these 2 amazing retreats through spring and summer next year. In April, I'm heading to South Africa for a safari painting adventure. And in June through to July, we're going to Ireland for a wildly romantic landscape painting, flowers, country gardens and cottages. It's going to be amazing. So I hope you're as excited as I am. It's a really special opportunity for me to get to actually paint with some of you and get to know you. It's really wonderful. So I hope that you will head without delay to the episode notes below, click the link, book your space, and I will see you next year.